What's up, guys? Welcome back. So I'll be making some spicy barbecue fish fillet. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so let's get started. Here I have my 4 pieces of fish fillet. It has already been cleaned up off camera. So for the seasoning, I'm only going to be using salt and black pepper. Normally I would have probably used some fish seasoning, but I'm actually out of that. I have none at home right now. So salt and pepper only. And also the sauce that I'll be using, it's pretty rich and sweet and spicy. So there's no need for the fish seasoning. The salt and black pepper works perfectly. So we're gonna season that front and back, and then we're just gonna go ahead and set it aside, and we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce. Alright guys, so all of our ingredients are prepared and ready to go. So we're just going to go ahead and add some vegetable oil to the pan here in order to prevent sticking. Then we're going to place our fish, coat it with the sauce that we made earlier, and then we're going to add it in our oven. Alright guys, so once the first 10 minutes has passed, so just gonna remove the fish from the oven, add more sauce to it front and back, and also be careful, the fish is still hot when you're turning it, so be careful guys. So add more sauce to it, and then we're gonna add it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Alright guys, we have come to the end of another cooking time with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys can serve this lovely fish up with some mashed potatoes or rice or vegetable, anything you guys desire. And please guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and share with your family and friends, and comment and give this a thumbs up if you like this video. Bye guys, thanks for watching.